Kwet me sorry when them ra washroom mpie bi.
Hwe. My friend.
Obetimi sorry wo kwa washroom aba. Ade be chi bebo punu be connect nkeja no.
We shouldn't take it for granted. Say ade achi me. Normal.
My
friend. Answer the question krata no ase no. And State of the Nation address. Me did say emu and common one kasa no the bebre ye na etiefo ne ahwefo nyina. But what expectations? Kwesi.
Say Omampeni we be the final State of the Nation address and Sani swearing in as so far Nyamadu Dwana na koso maimu and I'm sure say reporting on it to the nation, security will be key. Of course, economy, baby, I do in the midst of COVID. The catch the way I to me tackle COVID. Need to choose a guy burem, sure some penny a betrim election. A key, definitely. But touch on election. Expectations in there high. I mean, did you get 1 or 2 from the minority side? As that now meetings be koso nim so Messi Jinaya no munyensi
as to whether ombe present
as to whether ombe wo na so muni meetings be koso nti twan ahwe as omuwie meeting na de ombe kan na ye ho.
But overall expectations and also no man take corruption. I think that and also bibia we would want to hear something that we want to hear the president touch on it.
Honestly, personally, where I sit, I think when it comes to corruption, His Excellency Nanado failed in the fight against corruption, and then the facts are sacred. So he may not be able to talk about it. Fairly, yes, because the Mr. Incorruptible tag now the tag and since by the alleged and perceived corruption cases are people think you should have been bold to deal with it. I went to me and take that bull by the horn. And last days of Amidu Nema, that serpent of corruption, and send some is attack. And for me, I don't see the president dwelling much on corruption. No. Maybe I'll be brushing in the next term, yes, corruption, say, but for him to dwell, say, well, for media, I don't see it. I don't see it.
Okay.